Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be making rosemary and mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. I guess some of you may be familiar with this oil, like if I've been using my oil before, they have this particular oil, so I'll be making mine. So I already have my fresh mint here and my rosemary, so I'll just be taking off just the leaves. I already have my measuring cup here, so I'll just be taking off my mint leaves into this my cup. If you have not been using rosemary and mint before, this is a wake-up call for you to start using it, because mint and rosemary are a very good combination. Mint and rosemary oil, they are known to increase blood circulation, which allows more oxygen into your scalp. And with more oxygen carried to your scalp, it stimulates your hair follicles, resulting to faster and thicker hair. So this oil is meant to be used every day on your scalp. Every day, once you wake up in the morning, or even if you forget to use it in the morning, at least in the evening, you should use it. So I'm done with my mint leaf now. I'll be blending my rosemary into powder, because I feel the powder is more effective than when you just leave the leaf. So I blend mine anytime I want to use it. So I'll be blending this into powder. So this is how a rosemary looks like after blending. So I'll be adding this into my mint leaf. After adding the powder rosemary, I'll go in with my coconut oil. You can also use olive oil, but I'll be using coconut oil instead. Then you can actually do this with a double boiling method, but I want to use natural heat. So I'm going to be leaving it under the sun until the sun is no longer hot before I will take it out. So guys, it's time to strain our oil now. So it's time to go in with my essential oil. So I'll be using tea tree oil. One mistake most people make is that they don't know when to add essential oils into their hair oils. Essential oils are light, so usually add it when you are about to use your oil. You don't add it from the beginning because it might evaporate. So you add it when you are done with your oil. Either you want to use it immediately or you want to package. So try to add it when you are done with the process, and it's just left for you to either use it at that time or package it. So that's it guys. I'll be using mine now. When I'm done, I'll just put it into my applicator bottle, and then you can use it every day on your scalp. Concentrate on the scalp guys, on the scalp. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.